Hello, my name is Antra Mohan and I work for LTI as Principal Insurance. So for me, automation metrics will depend on the organization's automation strategy that is driven either by customer experience or operational efficiencies. So while organizations look at traditional return on investment models based on cost reduction, it's equally important to consider other benefits such as ease of doing a transaction, employee gratification, customer loyalty, and better compliance. These are usually intangible and not immediately realized in terms of benefit realizations. Hence, these intangible benefits may not always translate to earnings that can be measured in dollar value. However, they contribute to establish and improve the brand value of the company or the organization significantly. I'm a huge proponent of metrics driven by the customer's experience, and one of my favorite here would be the customer effort score. This is different to traditional customer satisfaction scores or the NPS scores, as the focus here is to capture the instances that covers ease of fulfilling transaction. For example, number of clicks, availability of the information with the customer, and the intuitiveness of the entire process. Hence, lesser the effort, better is the score.